Today I'm going to be reviewing the Vevor folding wagon. I want to thank the people at Vevor for sending this over for this review. Inside the box you'll find an instruction manual, as well as the handle for the folding cart, and the folding cart lifts up as one whole unit. The assembly of the cart is very straightforward and easy. There's two holes on the front that are circles, and the two wheels with the circle ends go into there, and two with square holes on the front side. On the square hole side, you do have to push the buttons in on the wheels to be able to put them into the slot. And to install the handle, you just have to squeeze the two buttons on the sides and then push it into the slot. The manual that comes with this folding cart is very straightforward and easy to read and understand. There's only about 10 pages to this booklet, and on every page is information that's relevant, and there's no page-long descriptions of legal disclaimers. It's very concise. Now I'm going to show a size comparison compared to some welding machines that I have to give you an idea of how big this cart is. The Vevor flux core welder that I was sent in a previous video only takes up about a quarter to half the space in this container. I can almost fit a Harbor Freight flux core welder perpendicular in this, but the cords stick out a little bit too far for that. It does say not to stand or sit inside the wagon in the manual, but I wanted to make sure this thing could withstand 185 pounds. And I did put a piece of wood underneath me to make sure my weight was distributed fully across the whole bottom of the wagon. Usually the welds on small metal frames like this are very poor welds, but these ones I'm actually very satisfied with. They don't seem to have a bunch of errors. And for actually collapsing this thing, there's a handle on either side, which you just close in on itself and lift upwards. And the weight is very straight down on this, so it stays straight up and down as you carry it. It doesn't try to lean to one side or another. And I was intentionally trying to be rough on the handles to see if I would hear any tearing or ripping, and they show no indication of even wanting to rip or tear. Overall, I see this as a very well-made product and very suitable for a lot of different applications. I want to thank Vevor for sending me this again, and I'll leave a link for this product in the description.